take any line segment AB. With center A and any radius, draw an arc which intersects the line segment AB at C. Now taking C as center and same radius, draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at D. With D as center and same radius, draw an arc to intersect the first arc at E. Now with D as center and any radius, here you can change the radius, any radius, draw an arc. And with E as center and same radius as you took with center D, draw an arc which intersects at point F. Now join AF. Now angle FAB equals 90 degree. Take a line segment AB. With A as center and any radius, draw an arc which intersects the line AB at C. With C as center, draw an arc with same radius to intersect the previous arc at point D. With D as center and same radius, draw an arc which intersects the first arc at E. With D as center and any radius, draw an arc. With E as center and same radius, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at point F. Now join point A and F. Angle FAB is 90 degree. Now for 45 degree, we have to bisect FAB, or we can say we have to bisect arc GC. So with center C and any radius, draw an arc. And with center G and same radius, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc. Mark that point as H. Now join AH. Now we have bisected arc GC. Angle HAB equal 45 degree. Now we are going to learn how to construct 22.5 degree. For that, we have to draw 90 degree, then bisect and make 45 degree, then again bisect and make 22.5 degree. Now take a line segment AB. With center A and some radius, draw an arc which intersects the line segment AB at some point. Mark that point as C. Now with center C and same radius, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at some point, say at D. Taking D as center and same radius, draw an arc to cross the first arc at some point. Say the point is E. With center D and any radius, here you can change the radius. Draw an arc with center E and same radius, draw an arc to cross the previous arc at point F. Now join AF. Mark the point where AF line and arc intersects as G. Angle FAB is 90 degree. Now we have to bisect angle FAB. Means we have to bisect arc C and G. C and G. Now with center C and some radius, draw an arc. With center G and same radius, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at some point, mark it as H. Now join AH. Now HAB is 45 degree. To find 22.5 degree, we have to bisect angle HAB. So mark the intersection of the first arc and the line AH as I. Now our aim is to bisect arc IC. With center C and any radius, draw an arc. With center I and same radius, draw an arc to cross the previous arc at some point, say at J. Now join AJ. Now angle JAB is 22.5 degree, that is half of 45 degree.